What's something most Seattle homeowners overlook until it's too late? Your time pyre, your dryer vent. Here's why it deserves a spot on your home safety checklist. In Seattle's damp climate, laundry piles up, and so does lint in your dryer vent. If your clothes take more than one cycle to dry, or your laundry room feels unusually warm, that's a red flag. Lint buildup traps heat, forcing your dryer to work overtime and putting your home at risk. Notice a burning or musty smell? That's lint overheating or even mold from trapped moisture. Never ignore it. And if the vent flap outside isn't opening when the dryer runs, airflow is blocked and danger is lurking inside. The good news? Regular professional cleaning keeps your dryer safe, efficient, and cuts down on energy bills. For Seattle homeowners, StarDucts specializes in tackling stubborn, moisture-packed lint before it becomes a hazard. Don't wait for warning signs. Call StarDucts for a safer, fresher home today. Stay safe, Seattle.